Yeah, just flip your hair, just mess it up a little bit. It's day number 3 of the Notion, and we're shooting in Venice Beach, and we are on Lincoln Boulevard.
No problem. I've got this.
The story is about the magic that fashion brings to your life, getting excited again about dressing up and styling yourself, and really get the energy out of the clothes that you're wearing, but also projecting a new energy because of the new outfit that you're wearing. Do a little spin. Yes.
What's the next outfit?
It's that long taupe sweater. Frankie, don't kill me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's belt it. Maybe sunglasses. Hey, Lonnie, he wants you to hold the water box like you were. Cute. Cute.
For this story, Dean is an incredible photographer, and this is his thing. This is his style.
The pink graffiti on the ground is so perfect. So cute.
Love it. We have it.
Yeah.